Is the expense of updating your home's door hardware getting out of hand? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share a simple way to cut the cost right after this. Is keeping out the cold on your to-do list? With Duck brand weatherization products, you can quickly and easily make your home more comfortable and efficient, saving you energy dollars along the way. Duck brand's affordable product line includes a roll-on window kit that comes in different sizes and strengths, including standard and max strength. These kits create a weather-tight seal with no hassle and no measuring. That's my kind of DIY project. To learn more and find a retailer near you, visit duckbrand.com. Few things give away the age of a home like the door hardware, but fortunately it's pretty easy to update. Simply unscrew the old antique brass hardware and replace it with something like a new brushed nickel finish. What most people don't consider when buying the new hardware is the door hinges, and that shiny new brushed nickel doorknob looks bad with the old brass hinges. Adding 2 or 3 hinges per door is hard on the budget, but rather than buy new hinges, why not buff off the old brass plating? A bench grinder with a wire brush wheel is ideal for this job, and it does the work quickly. To maintain the shiny brush finish on the hinge, simply spray it with a coat of clear sealer. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.